What does Service ESC mean? Causes, fix, and reset for Chevy. Vehicle safety has reached unprecedented levels of importance in the automotive industry over the past few decades. This focus is not limited to the well-being of those inside the vehicle, but extends to pedestrians and all road users. Among the myriad of safety features incorporated in vehicles these days, electronic stability control, ESC, stands out as a critical advancement among them all. And that is why this video will be your detailed guide to Service ESC. We're not just skimming the surface here. We're going full throttle into the what, why, and how of the Service ESC alert on your Chevy dashboard. So buckle up and stay with me until the end of this video as we explore them all. ESC light on dashboard. The ESC light on the dashboard is typically represented by a vehicle icon with skid marks and serves as an indicator of the system's status. If the light flashes and goes away, it means the ESC is actively working to stabilize the vehicle. However, if it stays on, it is an indication of a problem within the electronic stability control system that needs to be addressed. So what is the meaning of Service ESC on Chevy? The Service ESC warning on a Chevrolet vehicle refers to an issue with the electronic stability control ESC system, which is designed to enhance the vehicle's stability by detecting and reducing loss of traction. When this warning light is illuminated, it indicates that the ESC system may not be functioning properly and requires attention. This is a critical safety feature that helps to prevent skids and maintain vehicle control during difficult driving conditions, such as slippery roads. What would cause the ESC light to come on? Several factors can trigger the Service ESC light, including 1. Faulty wheel speed sensors. These sensors measure the rotational speed of each wheel and are crucial for the ESC system to function correctly. Damage or malfunction can lead to incorrect readings, causing the ESC to malfunction. 2. Damaged steering angle sensor. This sensor detects the angle and rate at which the steering wheel is turned. Faults here can disrupt the ESC system's ability to correctly assess and respond to vehicle dynamics. 3. Faulty brake system components. Since the ESC system works closely with the brake system, any issues with the brakes, such as worn brake pads or damaged rotors, can affect the ESC's performance. 4. Wiring and electrical issues. Damaged or corroded wiring can interfere with the signals between the ESC system's components. 5. ESC system deactivation. In some cases, the system may have been manually turned off by the driver through the vehicle's settings. What is ESC service required? ESC service required is a message indicating that the electronic stability control system has encountered a problem that prevents it from operating as intended. This message is a prompt for the vehicle owner to seek professional diagnostic and repair services to ensure the ESC system is functioning correctly for optimal safety. So is it safe to drive with the ESC light on? Driving with the ESC, electronic stability control light on, can be safe for short distances under normal conditions, but it signals an issue with your vehicle's ESC system, a feature designed to improve vehicle stability and prevent skidding. While the immediate risk might be low, especially in good driving conditions, the lack of a fully functional ESC could increase the risk of losing control in adverse weather conditions, such as wet or icy roads. Therefore, while you may continue driving briefly, prioritize getting the issue diagnosed and repaired to ensure your safety and the effectiveness of your vehicle's stability controls. How to fix Service ESC. To address a Service ESC warning, follow these steps. Step 1. Check if ESC is turned off. First, ensure the system hasn't been manually disabled. Locate and press the ESC button, usually marked with a car and skid mark symbol, to reactivate the system. Step 2. Perform a visual inspection. Look for obvious signs of damage to the ESC system's wiring and components, such as cuts, fraying, or corrosion. Step 3. Scan for diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs. Use an OBD2 scanner to read any stored codes that can indicate specific faults within the ESC system, particularly those related to wheel speed sensors or the steering angle sensor. Step 4. Professional diagnosis and repair. Due to the complexity of the ESC system, it is recommended to seek the expertise of a certified mechanic for accurate diagnosis and repair. How to reset Service ESC light. Resetting the Service ESC light typically involves addressing the underlying issue first. Once the fault is repaired, the light can often be reset by turning the vehicle off and on again. If the light persists, a professional diagnostic tool may be required to clear the stored error codes. So here are the steps to find, clear, or reset the ESC code with a scanner. Step 1. 1. Locate the OBD2 port This is usually found under the dashboard on the driver's side of the vehicle. It's a 16-pin port that allows an OBD2 scanner to interface with the vehicle's computer system. 2. Connect the OBD2 scanner. Plug the scanner's connector into the OBD2 port. Ensure the connection is secure to facilitate accurate communication between the scanner and the vehicle's computer. Step 2. Turn on your vehicle 1. To do this correctly, turn the vehicle's ignition to the on position or start the engine, depending on the requirements of your specific OBD2 scanner. This powers up the vehicle's electrical systems, including the diagnostic system. 2. Wait for the scanner to initialize. Give the scanner a moment to establish communication with the vehicle's computer. It may prompt you to enter additional information about your vehicle, such as the make, model, and year of your vehicle. Step 3. Read the codes 1. Navigate through the scanner menu. Use the scanner's interface to find the option to read diagnostic trouble codes. This might be labeled something like read codes or DTCs. 2. Take note of the codes. Once the codes appear, note them down or use the scanner's save function if available. This is crucial for troubleshooting and repair purposes, as it helps identify the specific issues and possible causes for the ESC system light. This will come in handy if you've not taken the first step to fix the root cause of the problem. Otherwise, the light will still come back on since the problem is still there. Step 4. Clear the codes. 1. To do this, find the clear option in your scanner. After noting the codes, look for an option in the scanner's menu labeled Clear Codes, Reset Codes, or something similar. This option is responsible for erasing the trouble codes from the vehicle's computer, which takes out the light from the dashboard. Remember, the light will still come back on if you have not fixed the trigger issue. 2. Confirm the action. The scanner will likely ask for confirmation before clearing the codes. Proceed with caution, as this will erase the codes and potentially the freeze frame data, which could be valuable for troubleshooting. 3. Reset the system. After confirming, the scanner will reset the vehicle's diagnostic system, clearing the Service ESC code and turning off the warning light on the dashboard. Step 5. Verify and follow up 1. Turn off and restart the vehicle. Once the codes are cleared, turn off the ignition, wait a moment, and then start the vehicle again to ensure that the ESC warning light does not reappear. 2. Check if the light returns. If the Service ESC light turns on again after a short drive, this indicates that the underlying issue is still there and needs further attention. Important considerations. Address the root cause. Clearing the Service ESC code does not fix the underlying problem. It is essential to diagnose and repair any issues identified by the diagnostic trouble codes to ensure the ESC system functions correctly. Professional diagnosis. If you're unsure about interpreting the codes or the Service ESC light reappears, seek professional help. Some issues may require specialized knowledge or equipment to diagnose and repair accurately. Safety. First, the electronic stability control system is vital for vehicle safety, particularly in adverse driving conditions, like driving during heavy rain, high winds, or on snow and icy roads. Prioritize the repair of any identified issues to maintain the vehicle's safety features to avoid accidents. The significance of vehicle safety has never been more pronounced, especially with innovations like the electronic stability control (ESC) system, which plays a critical role in enhancing vehicular stability and protecting road users. However, the ESC can experience issues, highlighted by the Service ESC warning, which signals a malfunction. Addressing this warning is crucial, as it involves more than just turning off an indicator. It ensures that the vehicle remains a safe mode of transport under various conditions. We've delved into what triggers this alert, how to diagnose and fix it, and the importance of professional help for complex problems. Maintaining your vehicle's ESC system is essential for safe driving, particularly in adverse conditions. For comprehensive insights, tips, and guidance on keeping your vehicle in peak condition, subscribe to our channel to stay informed on the latest in vehicle safety, maintenance, and troubleshooting processes.